The Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, just a beautiful evening across Acadiana. Jonathan Monte getting a beautiful shot of the combine here, working the rice fields. Out by the Egan Iota area, you can see off to the west some clouds, a little smoke in the air as well. You know, we are starting to burn some of that cane as well across the region, but a very pretty sunset nonetheless. And this time tomorrow night, unfortunately, you won't get to see much of a sunset. Lots of clouds, and it looks like stormy weather to follow. In fact, our best chance of severe weather we've seen in months on the way tomorrow night. So let's set the stage. We have an upper level low moving through the Rockies right now. Another low that's getting caught in the jet stream right here, and it's all going to spell a storm system that develops across Texas and into Oklahoma tomorrow and sweeps a frontal boundary through our part of the world. But there are lots of wind dynamics with this, and we're going to show you that coming up in just a bit. First off, some folks already feeling it, starting to see snow across the Red River area, Taos area of northern New Mexico into the San Juan Mountains and portions of the east front of the Rockies. So when it's snowing up there, there's usually something going on down here down the road as we get these systems a little bit more progressive. Now, generally fair skies. You saw the clouds on the sunset shot here off to the west of us. They're beginning to spread eastward. Even a few sprinkles showing up offshore. These light showers may move in overnight tonight, but we're going to keep rain chance at about 10%. Picks up, though, to 30 to 40% during the day tomorrow. So here we got Futurecast right here. You can see the clouds on the increase, maybe a sprinkle in the morning. But as we get some daytime heating, we get temperatures in the lower 80s. We're going to see scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but any activity tomorrow afternoon is going to be quick and passing, generally from the south to the north. Here we go to drive time, and things look to quiet down. And fingers crossed, it does look like it's going to be okay for most of us for trick-or-treat times. We're stopping it here at 8 o'clock, but there might be some showers and storms that get cooking. Main action begins as we get closer to midnight tomorrow night. First off, we'll be looking for some storms that will develop out ahead of this main line of storms that could have some rotation or what we call discrete loner cells that could spin up into a weak tornado. Our tornado parameter is pretty high for this time of year and at any time of the year for Acadiana, as I showed you that if you watched our Facebook Live. And then after about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, that's when the big storms are rolling on through. We could see a couple of supercell storms that could produce a mesoscale, what we call mesoscale lows that spin up and produce either wind damage and or a tornado. NOAA's showing a little bit of a bow echo here, or maybe a meso low right there. You can kind of see it with the pressure pattern. And then we'll be watching this activity as it moves through Acadiana. Here we are at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and it looks like the model's a little slower now, so I got up the rain chances somewhat as we start our Thursday. It's going to be a sloppy start, and again, you can see the possibility of maybe some bow echoes here and some strong, intense storms. By 9 o'clock in the morning, the worst of the storms begin to clear St. Mary Parish, and by lunchtime, things quieting down, and then drier air moves in for Thursday afternoon. So let's tackle the rainfall first. We do expect a couple of inches of rain, and probably 1 to 3 at the very least. Here's the European model going for more rain closer to the coast. The GFS model has been a little bit hotter today, going for a good 2 to 3, maybe 2 to 4, with highest amounts over southeast Louisiana. That looks to be a sensible solution. And then we'll look at the RPM forecast, and we'll drill down to the town-by-town forecast, and much the same, 2 to 3 inches of rain, some spots up to 4. We see some stripes of yellow. That gets closer to 5 inches of rain, 5 to 8 inches of rain, but we don't think we're going to see that. But we could have some localized street flooding, especially first thing come Thursday morning. Now, I want to show you the severe weather threads. We look at our surface winds, and we're going to show you surface winds, which are in white here. This is at 2:30 tomorrow night. Then we go to about the 850 millibar level, which is about 5,000 feet. And you can see how the winds are a little bit more southwesterly. Then let's go up to 18,000 feet, and you'll see the winds here a little bit stronger and more west southwesterly. And then we go to 30,000 feet, and then you see the jet stream almost going from west to east. So that's what we call one, wind shear with height. The numbers increase with height, and then also veer where the winds turn, and they go like, well, let me see, they go like this. It's hard to do it on chroma key, but the bottom line, that will set the stage for severe weather. So what are we expecting with that severe weather? Well, there's an enhanced risk of storms that could contain damaging winds better than 65 miles an hour and maybe an isolated strong a tornado or two, so we'll watch that. Breezy tomorrow afternoon, getting downright windy. This is trick-or-treat time, so the winds will be gusting, and then tomorrow night with the storms, winds will gust 30, 40 miles an hour at the very least, so keep that in mind. So tonight, a milder night ahead for sure as temperatures stay in the upper 60s and those clouds increase through daybreak. A breezy and warm Halloween, scattered passing showers and a thunderstorm possible. Rain chance 40% during the day, 30% for trick-or-treat time is where Frankenstein's monster is doing his thing. I think that's kind of like the mashed potato there a little bit. And as we go down the line, we are looking at much better conditions Friday into the weekend. Lots of sunshine, cool temperatures, and looks good for the Omelet Festival in Abbeville. Next chance of rain will come early next week, but maybe not a severe weather threat. This one tomorrow night is probably going to be a severe weather threat and perhaps a substantial one, especially up towards central Louisiana and into Mississippi, but very close to home for sure.